Hey everyone, this is Tatiana. I'm coming to you with a video on how to cook fried chicken. They're already cleaned, and they're only four pieces because only me and my husband are eating. So, a little bit of background. I started a YouTube channel a long time ago, but just to watch videos. But now I'm turning that YouTube channel and to how to cook videos. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so more cooking videos. Okay, let's get into this. The seasonings I'm going to be using are Larry seasoning salt, and you can just flip as you go, and I'm going to toss them afterwards. Okay, we like our food well seasoned, but not too salty. Garlic powder, just a regular store brand garlic powder. It really doesn't matter. A little bit of garlic powder and paprika. A little bit of paprika for color and black pepper. I like a lot of black pepper. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning in my flour that I already have. A little bit of pepper, and that's it. So I'm just going to toss these around. I already have the grease on a medium-high setting. So you just toss them around like so. Until everything is evenly coated. And please make sure you wash your hands, because I washed my hands, just so you know, I washed my hands before I started touching the chicken, after I washed the chicken, and I'm going to wash my hands after I finish tossing the chicken. It's so imperative that you wash your hands when dealing with poultry or any meats. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. Okay. So now we're going to just mix the seasonings around a little bit. And I'm only dealing with one camera, so you're only going to get one angle. Once I start more videos and getting more subscribers, I will definitely upgrade. So we're just going to put the chicken in, and we can just toss as we go. We want to make sure the chicken is evenly coated, just as well as the seasoning was. Okay, now we're going to seal the chicken and just toss. Toss it up. Shake, shake, shake. In the olden days, they used to put it in a brown paper bag, but you know, we have Ziplocs now. So just toss it up. Make sure everything is well coated. think that should be enough. Okay. So I'm just waiting for the grease to get hot. I'm only going to be frying 2 pieces at a time. So I'll come back to you when the grease is hot. Okay, we're back, you guys. So my grease should be hot enough, and the way you can check, you can sprinkle a tiny bit of water, or you can put a little bit of flour in it. But that's the way you can check if your grease is hot. So this is the real check right now. The first piece of chicken. Okay. It's hot, but not as hot as I would like it, but it will do. Turn it up a little bit. I might be able to get all 4 pieces in there. I didn't think my pan was big enough, but I think I will. Just lay them in there nice and slowly. Do not drop them, or you will have a grease mess, and that can cause a grease fire for beginners. Just so you know. It's definitely not as hot as it needs to be. So if you're doing this for the first time, just wait a little while longer before you put the chicken in. But I already know exactly what to do when these things happen. You can just turn the grease higher and then turn it back down when it gets to frying. Okay, I'll be back when the grease is in its full hot stage. Okay, hey everyone. The grease is now frying. I mean, the the grease is now hot and the chicken is frying. So this is how you want it when you put it in. You know, I put it in a little bit too early, but that's okay. We can always redeem ourselves with cooking. So I'm just making sure they're not touching so they can cook evenly. So you don't want to touch them too much because you want the flour to stick. Right now they're in the right now they're in the beginning stages of cooking, so you definitely do not want to touch them. Right now you can leave them cooking and they'll work their magic. So frying chicken takes around 20 20 to 25 minutes. It's just depending on gas, if you have a gas stove or if you have an electric stove. It's different for everybody. So I'm going to turn the heat down to a medium high heat. Well, it's between medium and high, so I guess medium high heat. I don't have numbers, so if you have a number stove, a stove with numbers on it, probably around to a 7. That would be a good dialing setting to have your grease on. So now we're frying, everyone. So I'll come back with the finished product. And once again, my name is Tatiana, and please like, share, and subscribe. I'm a new YouTuber, so I'm figuring out everything as I go, and watching other inspiring YouTube videos to definitely get inspiration from. And soon I will, well, right now it's 6 p.m. at my house. We're in California. So I'm not dressed appropriately to be on camera, so that's why I'm not showing my face. So I will probably come out with a YouTube video about twice a week, and as I grow, it will be, 3 times, and then more, 4, then more, 5. So everyone have a great day, and I'll come back to you with the finished product. Okay, we're back, everyone. So I'm going to turn the chicken off. And this is nice, golden, crispy fried chicken. As you can see, pretty. That's how you want your chicken to look. Golden brown. Some people like to fry theirs a little darker, but I like mine just like this. Just like this. Mmm, that looks good. Oh, let me turn this fan on. Okay, you guys. This is homemade fried chicken. It looks very delicious. I recommend, if you're not done with your sides, you put it in the oven on warm. Everyone likes hot fried chicken. No one likes cold fried chicken. And my sides tonight are going to be green beans and mac and cheese, the shells kind, the box kind. I didn't show that on camera because it's not homemade. So the mac and cheese right here is not homemade. So I didn't want to show that. And the green beans here. So if you guys like this video, I would like for you to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you to share everything that's going on. And I'll show you the chicken one more time. This is how you want it to be. There we go. You guys have a blessed night and be safe. Bye-bye.